LwCad 5 Smart Selection. Smart Selection is a new system of selecting elements on smart mesh. This selection system is fully included in a new smart edit tools: offset, extrude, round, loft, patch and profile, and will be expanded later into all edit tools in LwCad. The biggest benefit or advantage of this new selection system is that it unifies behavior of all edit tools. Starting just with smart edit tools, but later all edit tools will be equipped with this selection system, and it also speeding up the process of modeling, because you don't have to switch between selection system and edit, because the selection system is directly inbuilt in every edit tool. I'll start with basic modes of selection system, all the modes which are identical in every smart edit tool. First, selection, unselection, same as in library. You just click on element and select. Click second time, will unselect. Click and drag, will select everything under mouse, and click and drag will unselect back to original. So this is pretty simple, same as in library, selecting, unselecting. But smart selection has another modes: activation, deactivation. It is same as selection, unselection, but you have to have already activated handles. So now I will activate these three segments, offset segments, and now we have three active handles. When I unselect this segment, the segment is deactivated. When I select it back, it is activated. Why is this additional activation deactivation? Because by that way I can deactivate, for example, this handle, and I can adjust remaining selected and activated handles, and the other inactive handles are still operating, but you cannot adjust them. So this is the main purpose of activation deactivation selection system. Next basic selection mode is constraint selection. Constraint selection works with holding Control key. So you have to hold Control key on the keyboard and then click into geometry or viewport. So we can select all of possible edges, or we can select all connected edges, or we can select the loop of edges, or we can select all edges of the surface. With the different tool, let's say extrude, we can select ring selection or all connected surfaces selection. So constraint selection might differ with different tools and different geometry types, but it has same attribute, that you are selecting with holding Control key, and the selection is constrained to a specific area. And last basic mode of selection system is adjusting. For adjusting, we have to have some active handles in the viewport. So I will select these three simple offset handles, and to adjust them we have three different ways. First is to use numeric panel. With numeric panel we will set the offset value, which is the global value for every selected handle, and we can change through numeric panel. Second way is to hold Shift key on the keyboard and click and drag mouse from left to right. So by that way, holding Shift key and adjusting all selected handles or active selected handles. So because when we deactivate some handles, we are adjusting only these selected active handles. And last way how to adjust handle values is to click directly on the handle and adjust it without Shift key. So these are the three basic modes or basic ways how to adjust active handles.